Hello everyone, this is Julian from Reattachments. We are a professional manufacturer of excavator hydraulic attachments. In this video, I will introduce our vibro hammer to you. Please follow me. Here is the control valve inside the extension boom for brake protection. Simplified hose array for interference prevention. We already installed the most of pipelines for your convenience. So it's very easy to install for our customers. There is a rotation motor driven by a self-protected hydraulic motor. It can rotate 360 degrees and unload automatically when the rotating device is subject to the additional drag force. 12 pieces of vibro isolating rubbers to reduce the wear of moving parts and increase the service life of the whole machine. The dedicated imported vibration hydraulic motor is high efficiency and environmental friendly. The part of the clip mouth is made of durable material NM400. This place is replaceable, it can be changed easily. The powerful cylinder controls the opening and closing of the clip mouth. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.